Morning campers. It's a bit foggy this morning as we walk the Vin. Oh, there he is there. Where is he there? There he is there. Anyway, fashion statement on my head. It's from the foam insulation, the board I've been cutting up. What we do today is install the fan. It's forecast, well it's Friday, so I've taken a day off to do this. It's forecast to have been quite nice all weekend, no sign of rain. Although it didn't say anything about the fog. But it is early, so that'll burn off quick. So yeah, we've got a max fan deluxe that we need to put in. So I thought I'd take this nice opportunity of a weekend and do it now. So we'll see how we get on. What a great day. Not a pick of wind. But there is a dog. Oh, doesn't he look handsome? Who's he talking about, he says? I like this place, but it's very nice, very peaceful, apart from them bloody birds. So I'm up here. Yeah, that's all the junk. Oh, hang on a minute. Who's that? Are you waving? Look at the junk on the roof already, and I haven't even started. Hopefully that's all I need though. Sides done. Three sides done. I need some thicker tape though. On the bookcase, or in my bookcase, there should be some gaffer tape sort of type stuff, silver stuff. Because this masking tape's now you got a toe for holding it up. That's the stuff. I can see that coming back to you. Thank you. Perfect timing. I nearly phoned you up. Alright. Done. Should I? I don't know if there's anything down there. That'll do. But we need to see where it's up to. Sorry, did someone say it wasn't going to fit? That's in. Where's me? That's me. That is in, that is friggin' marvellous, right. Clean up. File down the edges, that's what we've got to do first. Clean up. File down the edges, that's what we've got to do first. File. Right, clean the bloody place up. You don't need to see us clean up. I'll save the battery. Okay, now to go around painting the edges. I've filed them down, I just need to paint them. And while I'm up here, if I see any rust spots or anything, I'll paint them as well. Here we go. Oh, a mistake. I didn't have me polythene bags in there taped good enough, so they fell. So basically, all that effort of trying to catch the rubbish was a waste of time. It's now all on the floor. So I'll have some cleaning up to do in there as well. need to think about what the next step is. I think the next step is, yep, butyl tape to fill in the gap ridges and get the plate all at one level. Yeah, so I think I'll clean up down there before I forget. Yeah, and I'll come back to you. I'm doing the butyl tape. Give this paint time to dry. Okay, I forgot to turn you on again. I'm busy sticking down the tape. You can't see that. I've got one bit left to do. And it's, hang on, it's that bit. Can you see that bit? No, you can't. Let's turn you that way. Can't maybe you can see or not. So sunny, yes you can. So that's the only bit I've done. Basically I'm building up the layers. I'll try and show you how I'm doing that. If I can get out the shot. So I'm using that stuff. So peel off a bit. Double it up. Like that. Double it up again. So thicker. Like that. Hopefully that might do it. If it doesn't, I'll stick on another strip. And of course, you've just stuck it to the bloody idiot. Nice. That goes in there like that. Pull off that. Pull off that one as well. So there you go. And you know what you forgot to do? You forgot to take the bloody thing off in the middle. There you go. Right, so that is nearly level, so now I'll do a full strip all the way around. You didn't go where?
The gym.
I thought we were going to Costa.
We did, at Costa.
Alright. I don't want dinner. I don't want any dinner, I'm busy doing this.
Yeah, but when you finish that.
Alright. These go to the edges, and then it goes in that way. Oh yeah, are we fucking in? Why is that? What's going on here? I think I need another level of lit. We have a freaking plastic down there.
There's gaps.
I know, I don't know why. Am I not into underneath? I need to come down and check. flicking thing fell down, so all the rubbish went inside. Oh, I'm not even straight. I'll have to come down and see if I can do it inside. Quite right there. I'm not in the rule, that's why. I'm nowhere near the bloody hole. Hang on, hang on. Can you have a look and see if there's any holes up there?
You're good this side now. It was this side, it was all, but it's better now. Just need to check the other side looks level. I'll go round.
Guess you can't tell from the front, can you? Oh, my video's stopped. Is it? No, maybe it hasn't. It's got low power mode up. Well, the time's still ticking. Oh, well. Right, it helps if you put it in the hole you cut. Don't hand out of power, so I'll bring you inside now, if I can get you.
Can you, before you pull it all,
Have a look round, yours.
the bit in the middle, here, squash that down, that's it.
Well, it will be.
It'll screw down with it.
It will screw down, yeah. And there will be sealant round it.
Right.
Okay, we'll stop the vid there. We then screwed it into a wooden frame.
Well, hello. There's a hole in the roof.
Oh God. Well, I've sealed it.
It's all sealed.
It's not a pretty decorator's job. Very good. And now we're going to put that in, and then we'll show you what it's like at the end.
And look. So here we are, finally finished, grand reveal. All he has to do is remove the cellophane that's on the top of the little roof thing, whatever it is called. What's the little roof called? Oh, what lid, whatever.
Yeah, it's a lid.
Yeah.
Goes on top of your head, doesn't it?
Oh, nice.
Come on! Help!
Yay! Very good.
Yeah. We finished by sealing round the wooden frame. So thank you for watching. If you liked